If I cannot do great things, I could do small things in a great way. Martin Luther King Jr. Hello. I am here today because, last Monday was Martin Luther King, Junior Day. And so this is a video on Martin Luther King. And I think just from Martin Luther King, he inspired or did a speech on people with different color skins, like black people, should be free. They shouldn't have to drink from a different drinking fountain, and they shouldn't have to go to different schools or different restaurants, and they shouldn't. It's not right for anyone to separate anyone else, because basically we're all people. Whoa, go away. We're all people, we all talk, and I think people should be free. This chicken, for example, is free. They can fly. They can do anything. See, they can fly. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Martin Luther King Jr. Hello, you just heard Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous "I Have a Dream" speech. Again, you should treat everyone else like they're one, basically how you would treat yourself, or the golden rule at Wrightwood Elementary is treat others the way you would like to be treated. And some people did not do that back when there were rules, certain people, they were judged basically by the color of their skin, and they couldn't go to the same school together. White and black people, they couldn't use the same drinking fountain, or they couldn't even sit down together at a restaurant. And it's not fair, and that's not the way other people should be treated. You should treat others the way you want to be treated. Thank you for watching this video on Martin Luther King Jr. Please stay tuned and see you next time.